If you want to protect your product idea when sourcing in China, here's the good news. There are several smart strategies you can use. They are simple, practical, and you can start applying them right away. No stress, no complicated legal documents, just real solutions that work in the real world. Your biggest advantage is your brand. Your brand carries trust, personality, and customer loyalty. When customers connect with your brand, copycats do not stand a chance. Even if someone tries to sell a cheaper version, buyers still choose the brand they trust. This is why brand building is more powerful than trying to control every factory. Now, let us talk about clear and practical steps. First, if you created something truly original, consider applying for a design patent or a utility patent. A patent gives you actual legal protection in multiple countries. It makes your product more defensible and increases the value of your brand in the long term. If you want to scale globally, a patent is a strong foundation. Second, build a strong relationship with your supplier. This is one of the most underrated protections in China sourcing. Factories want reliable customers. They want stable orders and clear communication. When a supplier sees you as a long-term partner, they have no interest in risking that relationship. A cooperative mindset protects you more than people expect. Here is another smart sourcing technique that works extremely well. When you are comparing factories, do not reveal your full innovation. Start by showing a similar existing product. Use that to filter suppliers. Check their pricing. Check their samples. Check their certifications. Check how they communicate and how fast they respond. Once you identify the best supplier, then reveal your actual idea. Only one supplier sees your real design. This reduces your exposure and keeps your concept safe. If your product requires a mold, you have a very strong advantage. Owning your mold means you control the shape of the product. Make sure you add your logo directly into the mold, and make sure the logo is embossed, which means it sticks outward. Embossed logos are hard to remove, and this makes it difficult for anyone to copy the exact shape. A custom mold creates a natural layer of protection that competitors cannot easily bypass. Now, let us talk about something important. Copying happens in every industry. Phones get copied, shoes get copied, kitchen tools, water bottles, clothing, almost everything. This is normal. What matters is how you position your brand. The brands that win are the ones that innovate faster, listen to their customers, and constantly improve their product experience. When you keep evolving, copycats cannot keep up. Also, remember this: people buy from brands they trust. They buy from brands that create a good experience from start to finish. If you focus on building trust, improving your packaging, improving your service, and improving your delivery experience, your product becomes much harder to compete with. At SourcingXpro, this is exactly what we help clients do. We help you choose the right supplier. We help you communicate with them properly. We help you protect your idea with smart strategies, not fear, and we help you build a sourcing system that keeps your business safe while you grow. If you need support, insights, or a fully managed sourcing solution, SourcingXpro is here to guide you. Your idea is important, and with the right strategy, you can protect it with confidence.